Cuddles, has anyone seen Perch? Sugar! Sugar! Oh. Puffball! Do you have any idea where Perch could be? No? Oh, come on, guys. She's got to be somewhere. Hey, duckies! Have you seen Perch? Oh, you were up the creek the entire time? Oh, makes sense. Just let me know if y'all see her, okay? Cuddles! Tiny. I know y'all don't really forage near the rest of the flock. Have you by chance seen Perch? Cuddles? No! Oh, where could she be? Well, it looks like Minnie's gone in the house for the evening. If only there was someone else. Wait a minute, Morris! Morris! Have you seen anyone?